Hello, good afternoon, Hila. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Okay, so again, this is Teacher Maral Jade from 51 Talk. How are you today?
I'm fine. It was you.
Oh, I'm fine also. Thanks for asking. So, how's your Monday? Is it good?
I hate Mondays.
You hate morning. Do you have school today, Hila?
No,
Now, so it's
because
already vacation.
yeah,
Oh, wow. Happy vacation. Okay, so since it's another lesson, it's another class today. So are you ready to listen to me?
yeah.
Okay, fantastic. So since you are ready, so I want you to read what is the title of our lesson.
At the park.
Very good. Okay, so today's lesson, we are going to learn another conversation. So we are going to learn how to start and end a conversation when making friends at the local park. Do you have park in Saudi?
Yeah.
Oh, and I think your park there is very beautiful, unlike here. Yeah, because here is very small and we cannot
Yeah. Here
enjoy.
also.
Ah,
Sometimes there. Yeah, they're so small. They're so big, but always
oh,
there so many people. If it's small, if it's big, if it's a
mm,
big people.
yeah, yeah. The same here also. When it's Sunday or Saturday or like weekend, so that's
Yeah.
the day that there are so many people at the park. So sometimes we are not going there. We only go to malls
Yeah.
because yeah, and but if it's very you want to have fresh air, yeah, park is the best place, but it's crowded, so there are many peoples. Okay, so now let's see what are those words and expressions that we will learn today. So before that, I have questions here. How often do you go to parks?
I don't like parks, so not always go. Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so you're not fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I think maybe this lesson will be applied if you're going to another place like Thailand or your favorite place, Europe, France. Okay, so maybe this lesson will be applied in that place. Okay, now let's learn words today. So can you read?
Notice,
Okay, let's notice.
to see something and be aware of it. Aware of it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so it's to see something and be aware of it. So when we say notice, for example, I notice Hila that that she is so very uh that she is so very silent lately. So that is something notice. Like you see something to that person or to that place that you are aware, that giving you aware. That's notice. Okay, can you answer this one? I couldn't help.
I couldn't help but notice that the criminal is from Europe, America.
Okay, very good. Okay, next. We have here another phrases. Okay, take,
Ta-
go.
Take a break from something, to stop something and have a short period of rest.
Mm. Okay, so when we say take something take a break something, so like you need rest. So that's a very long sentence. So the short meaning of this is break. or break. You need to take break or rest. Okay, can you read this one? I need to take.
I need to take a break from my brother and his friend.
Okay, I need to take a break from your brother and from your brother and his friends. Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
if I will think about the sentence, it means like this is in Arabic. Okay, I will translate. For you to differentiate. Okay, I need what's that? I need I need to take a break with my brother and his
Oh, not with.
ah
From my brother.
from okay
Yeah.
from my brother and his friend. Okay, this is in Arabic. So means I
Yeah.
will okay.
They are 6 years old or 7 years old, and they are so noisy. That's why I want to take a break from them.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah.
why that's why I need to translate in Arabic because in difference maybe you have like annoying about your brother. That's why you need to break. So it's real. Oh, so it's 7 years old.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And now next word, next phrase.
Give a sort give someone a call. To call someone on the phone.
Okay, so what's that? What's that meaning? I mean, can you make a sentence? Give
Give me a
me.
call after 5 minutes.
Okay, well, very good. Give me a call after 5 minutes, or you can give also a specific time, like after 7 o'clock, 5 p.m., 5 in the morning. Yeah, so that's give me a call. Next, number 4.
Walk, walk around. To walk without going anywhere. I usually
Okay.
walk around our house.
Oh, very good. Okay, next. What's this? Watch.
Watch over someone. To look after someone. Um, I watch over my mom when I have time,
Okay, very good.
or is it right?
Yes, yes. I
Oh,
watch over with my mom when I have time. Another.
quality time, time doing
Mm.
enjoyable activities, or spend relaxing with someone. I spend quality time with Lana and Siba at the vacation.
Okay, oh, very good. Okay, good job, Hila. So, do you understand those phrases?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So now, so since you understand, so let's have here a role play. So we have Nicole and Annie meet at the park. So you are going to be Anne and teacher will be Nicole. Okay, so let's start. Excuse me, can I sit beside you? I'm watching over my kids at the children's playground.
Yes, of course. We can both sit here.
Thank you. I'm Nicole, by the way. I noticed that you come here to the park often.
I do. I come here after leaving the office to relax and to take a break from the stressful,
Okay.
stressful in how to say it, environment, environment,
Environment.
uh, environment to work. Do you usually come here too?
Okay, very good. Okay, this word, Sheila, this word is stressful.
Stressful.
Okay, you know what's stressful?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
stress. So she feels so stressed.
Like you're stressed with your brother. Okay, that's stressful. Okay, so now let's see what is another scenario. Okay, this time you're Nicole and teacher is Annie.
My kids and I do. They they are the ones is in blue. After I pick them up from school, we usually walk around the park. It's how I spend quality time with them.
Okay, that's good. My niece is almost the same age as they are. Maybe I can bring her with me sometimes. Then can play together.
Absolutely. If you're ever in the area, give me a call. Here's my number.
Okay. Sure, I will have to go now. Though it was nice talking to you. See you and your kids sometime soon. Okay, so that's the end of the role play. So let's have here question. Who goes to the park often?
Nicole and his kids. Her kid.
Okay, yes, Nicole and her kids. And also Annie. So Annie go also to the park. So why does Annie go to park, Hila?
To really to relax.
Oh yes, to relax or take a break from the stressful environment. Okay. Do you have also a stressful environment, Hila?
Mm, I didn't understand what is that, but I just understand stressful.
Stressful. Okay. When we say environment stressful, it's like you're saying what's the place that gives you emotional or mental strains in
Uh,
your life. Like for example, you are having an environment stress at your home. So that's environment because it's home. Or you can say also the environment stress is the mall or the surrounding or is your school. So that's
what
environment.
what's the place what I hate it or the place what I love it?
Your it's not hate it. Oh,
Love?
but yeah,
Oh,
it's not hate it because when we say environment stressful, it's a place that giving you a stress. For example, at your house or in school, you are stressed because your teacher
my
gives you
school.
mm,
Yeah.
because your
Oh,
teacher giving you a lot of assignments, project. So that's is example of environment stress. Environment stressful. Okay? Or if you are working, your work is your environment stressful. So that's environment stressful. Do you understand?
yeah.
Okay, so environment stressful is a place or a scenario or a time that giving you a stress. Okay, so what place that
The
gives you a
school.
stress? The school. Yeah, as always, school. Okay, so yes, me too. When I was in my right now, I'm also taking my review for licensure because right now I'm taking what's this exam on September so that I will be a professional teacher. So we need to take an exam before we are going to be a professional. We can teach public. So this time I have work and also I'm having a class in the morning. So that's why sometimes I am stressed. So my environmental stress is maybe my house. I mean my small apartment. like like I am so tired because sometimes when I'm here, I don't know why it's giving me stress, but when I go outside, my stress is like,
Uh,
yeah,
go.
it's go away. I don't know, but it should be the house is your
Yeah,
relax, right? Your
yeah.
relax place.
But
But
sometimes, no.
yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I don't know why. Yeah. Okay. Let's have here. Try to apply the scenario, okay? So if someone is sitting you on the park or in the bench park, so how will you start and end the conversation? So what would you say to start the conversation?
Um, Hello. Can can I sit like can I sit here?
Ah,
Is someone
yeah.
here?
Mm. Yes, that's the good start because you asked permission. Okay, what if that woman will ask you, will say to you, yes, you can see it. So what's the next?
Oh, thank you. Uh, I was so tired, and that's why I said for you, can I sit here?
Oh,
Or
or
I am watching my mom walking, so I sit beside you.
okay. Oh, that's great. Oh, that's good. That's good to hear. So what's up? Why you are here? So what will you ask? I mean, what will you say?
I will
Ah,
say, my mom said for me, please come with me, so that's why I come.
oh yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, you can have that start conversation. Okay, by telling you your purpose why you are here already or why you're there. So you're giving the the answer without following question. Because if you say that, maybe that woman will ask you, "Oh, why you are here?" But instead, you give your answer already. So, yeah, that's a shortcut. That's a shortcut. Maybe you think, oh, don't ask me, okay? Don't ask me. But yeah, oh, it's okay. But yeah, it's good. It's good to say your purpose because sometimes when you're not telling the purpose why you are in that place, maybe the conversation will like, it's cut or
Yeah,
yeah.
oh,
Yeah.
I feel so
Because
stressed. Can you just ask me, please?
yeah, it's a good thing that you said your purpose because that that if that scenario you say the purpose your your person or the person that beside you will say another follow-up question. So maybe it's a very deep conversation. Unlike you're not telling your purpose like it's hung. So there is no there is no relation like there is a boundary like
Yeah,
you are here, this is her, and it's a gate like a
clear
boundary.
wall.
Oh, don't talk to me, okay? Our conversation it was end.
We
Ding.
are
Then
strangers.
yeah, like Instagram, like mute, mute. Yeah. Oh, that's a good thing. Okay. Now, what would you talk about with her? Okay, with her.
Um, I will
Oh,
talk about how is my mom walk so fast.
so you will talk about why your mom walked so fast.
I will ask her how is she's so fast like
It's so funny. It's so funny to think, Hila, actually. If I will be that woman that besides you, maybe we were laughing together because oh you're asking why your mom is walking so fast? I don't think so. Why she was so fast? Okay. Oh maybe that's a very good conversation also because you're telling joke. Yeah, because telling jokes sometimes is a good start conversation or it's a good topic. Yes, jokings. Um,
Yeah,
mm, it
sometimes it's good when you start the
yeah,
conversation with a
yeah.
joke.
Is yes. Are you allowed to talk about jokes in your religion? Is
Yeah.
it okay? Oh, that's good. Okay, so that's the good thing when you're going to conversation. Like maybe that woman will say, "Oh, why you're asking me? Is she my mother?" Like that. Okay, you're so funny, Hila. Okay, now how would you end your conversation?
I was saying my mom finished walking, so can I go, please? Like, oh,
I, I imagine if I will be that person beside you. I was looking for your mom, and you said, "Oh, she's walking so fast." Okay, I don't know what's my answer that on that, Hila. Okay, so how would you end again? You will.
I was saying my mom finished walking, so I will go. Thank you for the the best conversation.
You're making that person to be the judge. Judge in
Yeah.
in a variety show that what if someone is doing the talent and then the judge will say you're good and you're like so maybe that person will say your mom is walking too fast and then oh she was what's this I forget the term oh she's turning in the right like she will be the judge on that, Hila. Okay, that's so fun. Okay, so now, Hila, I I can't move on about the scenario. Okay, so, okay, now let's learn about what is Heidi or Hyde Park. So can you read?
Hyde Park is the most popular park in London with 4,000 trees, a large
Lake.
lake, and beautiful gardens. It's open every day for people to visit from 5 in the morning until midnight. It was crea-
Created
created in 1000 oh,
1563.
1063.
Hmm.
It's sorry,
Con- It's okay. It's
considered
considered.
considered one of the largest parks in London.
Okay. Have you went here, Hila?
No, but I
Not yet.
always watch it.
Wow. I hope I can also go with this place. Okay, here we don't have this one. We don't have
Yeah, me
this.
too.
Oh, you do. Okay, so now, if you will go to the park, Hila, what's your favorite activity? Well, will you going to do?
Sit and see my mom walks.
Okay. Okay. Okay, and start the conversation with the person beside you, okay? Make her a judge. Okay. It's so fun, Hila. It's so fun to hear your answer about our lesson today. Actually, I can move on. Okay, so do you understand how our lesson today?
Yeah,
Okay, so I hope you will apply that one. You will apply in the future if you will go to the park or maybe in somewhere places, okay? So apply those words and those simple phrases. So anyway, do you have questions?
No, thank you.
No, thank you. Okay, so Hila, since we are done today, and I hope I can see you next time here in 5-1 Talk. This is Teacher Moral Jade. See you and happy good night. A good night here. Goodbye,
Yeah.
Hila.